Om Shri Sai Ram. My name is T. Priya Harshita. I am Venkatagiri Balavikas student. Today our project is A Lazy Mind is a Devil's Workshop. Laziness in a person becomes the root of all evils. Evil thoughts enter a person's brain only when he remains lazy. When the mind is filled with fruitful and good ideas, there is no room for evil thoughts. Laziness leads to evil thoughts and desires such as cheating, gossiping, etc. When a man has nothing to do, all sorts of evil ideas come to his mind. This will turn the man into a devil. The mind of a man cannot remain vacant for a long time. Unless it is occupied with fruitful ideas, it will turn to bad thoughts. Now I am telling a small story about laziness. Once there lived a Brahmin. His name was Pandit Ramakrishna and he renowned in his village. He was married to Sharada. She was very clever. While Pandit Ramakrishna was a great devotee of Lord Vishnu, they have two children named Shivansh and Pratigna. The Pandit was a priest in the Vishnu temple and have a very respectful image in the society. But he was very lazy and wanted someone to do all his work so that he can feed and rest whole day. One night he dreamed of Lord Vishnu telling him, "Son, I am here to fulfill your one wish. Ask me anything and I will give you except for the elixir of life." The priest could not believe that he is actually seeing his deity Lord Vishnu. He immediately asked that he always wished for he had. "My Lord, my Creator, please bless me a boon that someone will do all my work and I can rest and enjoy the delicious food that my wife cooks for every day." Lord said, "My son, I bless you with a genie. Tomorrow he will come to your home and you guide him to do your work." And then Lord disappeared. Next day the Pandit heard a knock on the door. He rushed to the door and opened it. He saw a pale blue genie floating in the air. He said, "My Lord, I am here to do all your work so that you can rest, but I can't rest for a moment." After hearing this, the Brahman was little scared. Then the genie said, "My king, give me a task to do on, then I will kill you." The Brahmin told him to wash his clothes and then polish his shoes, then to massage him. By doing this, he kept the genie busy for a few hours, but it was not enough. After completing his job, the genie asked the Pandit for other tasks. The Pandit was confused and scared, so he appointed the spirit to do household work. Sharada saw all this and she know that his husband is in trouble, so she comes to his rescue. Once the spirit completed his work, Sharada ordered him to catch a dog and straighten his tail until it becomes completely straightened, and if the tail is twisted back, then it straightened it again. After hearing this, the genie went out looking for a dog and he catched one. Then he straightened its tail, but the tail again turned upwards. So the genie tried again and again, but the tail failed and kept trying. This way Sharada saved the life of Pandit, and the Pandit also learned a lesson. He understood that he should not depend on others for his own job. Sai Ram.